You asked, how to divide 1440 by 9 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 14. 14 divided by 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 14 minus 9 equals 5. Bring down 4, making 54. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. 6 times 9 equals 54. 54 minus 54 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 9 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 160.